How many hours have you wasted chasing undocumented API endpoints or debugging half-baked authentication flows? The API documentation pack stops the madness with OpenAPI 3.0 template libraries that enforce spec compliance, interactive Swagger UI embeds that auto-update with your code, battle-tested OAuth 2.1 documentation frameworks, and Git-powered changelogs that track every breaking change. This isn't just for back-end devs. API product managers, DevRel engineers, and platform architects all get instant superpowers. Because the only thing worse than a bug is a documented feature that doesn't work. Here's what's inside the API documentation pack. OpenAPI structure generation with JSON schema validation. Swagger UI customization for interactive endpoint testing. OAuth 2.1 flow documentation with token lifecycle diagrams. Automated change log parsing from Git commit patterns. Security header documentation templates for JWT/OpenID. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. When your API evolves, your docs don't just follow, they lead the way. Installing the API documentation pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add API documentation pack. That's it. You get the full OpenAPI workflow, spec templates, UI configs, auth documentation frameworks, and Git commit parsers, all downloaded to your workspace. Your next Claude Code session automatically inherits OpenAPI validation rules. Your AI assistant now understands OAuth flows and can generate curl examples in 8 languages. No PhD in documentation science required. Just ship perfect API docs faster than you can say, version 2.0.0 breaking changes.